This is typically the first drum lesson I give most people. It's one of my all-time favorite drum parts, but it's really relatively simple to do. And it begins like this. Both hands together on the snare. One hand on your rack tom, one hand on your floor tom. 1, 2, 1, 2. You just get used to doing that movement first. And then the third one is you're going to put your right hand on the ride cymbal. It's actually like the bell, if you can aim for the bell. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now if you're playing on your legs, you'd go like this. Let's see, what is it? Oh yeah. Together, together, right. Together, together, right. That's the coordination. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then the next step would be to play the hi-hat. It's closed like this. Your foot is down on it. That coordination. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. For on the lap. Together, together, right, left. Together, together, right, left. Okay. And the last step, you're going to put both feet down at the same time. You're going to step on the bass drum, step on the hi-hat. People at home, just step on the ground. So it'd be like together, together, right. So what this is, it's Devo's cover of the Rolling Stones' Satisfaction. Check it out. You can YouTube it, whatever, Google it, Spotify. I think the tempo is about, let's see. Super cool, relatively easy. And for those doing so here's the final pattern for the people that are equipment-less. Together, together, right, left. Together, together, right, left. Together, together, right, left.